So hello, good morning. How is everybody doing? So we are going to do this one. We take a deeper dive into the shots. We see maybe the potential entries that maybe we might spot, and then from there twende shughuli ingine. Sasa there are some trades zenye naambianga personally. I usually be correcting data on them, and such like a trade is this one. I believe if you are closing it back into this range, we are going to touch maybe this Asian resistance right now, because as you can see, we are in London pre. We are about 1 hour 9 minutes in. So with time, I might be taking this trade. Naona range iko sawa around 25 pips. You can try getting maybe 15 to 20 pips on this scalp right here, and maybe watch some runners. But that's that. So let's look at what we have for today, and so that we get our skills up with time. So welcome to Tuki Trades, and let's go take a deeper look into them charts. Yeah, so acha tuangalie mambo kadhaa. First, let's look at what happened yesterday. Tuone moves za jana, so that we don't get lost in this holding. Now, see this point right here is the high of the year. Tunaweza sema hivyo since leo ni January 6th, right? We made this touch on Leoni Friday. We made this touch on Wednesday. This is the high that we made on Wednesday. And jana we called out a trade. We spotted it around this level hapa hivi. Tukascouting around 30 something pips. And then this is what happened next. After we had this London main opening, to create some support zone during NYC pre, broke the zone. Now by this time we have so much volume. Is in sessions mbili zinashikana, the London main and the NYC, and this is the volume that comes into these markets. Now see, with this drive we managed to tap into the yearly opening level yenye tulifungua on Monday. This was on 3rd of January, and we created some kind of support from there jana, right? Hapo tumeshikana. Now we can call this that ya jana NYC. Now let's look at this level into more detail, this support form. Now see, when we broke below this NYC pre support from jana, we drove about 95 pips, and then we had NYC main opening. Now this is the next section that might sometimes contain the volume, and we have that another drop here about 70 pips, tunaweza sema hivyo, right? So this is the main period yenye kwa hizi soko kuna kuanga na volume, and as you can see we made that support coming in when you call out on the open of this year Jan, sindio? Now let's go on from there. The support form, we drive off the way. Tuangalie kitu hapa. What time is this? This is 6. This is 4. Na 4, or this time at 4, this time at 4 London inafunga, so we have now the NYC supporting this support from ya jana. They create a resistance. We had a minor support form during NYC closing. Today we got kufungua, and then we had Asian driving all the way up to this point where we formed this support form, right? Paka hapo tunaweza shikana at least. So let's look at this one. Now this is what we are working with. At work na hizi mambo zingine zote ziko na huku chini, hapana. We are just working now with this minor support which came in period Asian, because as you can see I've already marked the London pre-opening period, right? Since we had this initial move, which was initiated during Asian, let me move this right here. This is the initial move we had during Asian. We had Kamaina support form around here. Now let me Konai support form. It's a minor, but look where it's coming in. It's coming in kwa this support form yenye ilikuwa hapa during NYC closing, right? So we break into this NYC resisting zone, yenye ili respect even the NYC main session opening jana. This was the candlestick that opened during the NYC. So basically hapa tunaweza sema maybe we had an impulse move, and if you took an impulse entry during Asian, then there were some pips for you actually to scalp in on this one. So let's go to the next level, which I'm on right now. This was the Asian drive after breaking this zone. Then we had another minor support form, right? And now using this minor support form, ndo nilikuwa naangalia at London main. Maybe there was an entry. Look at the lower time frame. Yeah, on the 15 you can see we have this candlestick closing below this one. So hapa kuna possibility for you also to take maybe a scalping, but nasemanga you have to have the statistics, the win rates on these trades. See, you just start by taking them, make sure they are backed up by at least some data. You may observe the trade happen for a few times. Now with this range down here, we have around 20 pips. If it's okay for you to scalp up hivyo, you could have done so. Now for us who are going to be sitting long in this session, now let's look at what we have. So right here we are working with two components. We can say we have Asian resistance zone. We saw London pre-open, we sell into a range, then we already tunaweza ita support form, because as you can see we're already turning bullish from this zone. So na tukiangalia to the left, it's even confirmed by this NYC resisting zone yenye tulikuwa nazo yesterday. So if by any point you are to break Asian support form, then for me maybe I'll be looking to go long. Neza attempt maybe to go long right here. Attempt maybe this NYC pre-support form ya jana, which was broken right here. Now tukipima hapo, we can see it's sitting at around 40 something pips, but we'll have to sit in now and have this whole London pre-volume to even it move up if it will allow us to have some momentum to break these zones. Maybe the next point I would look to scalping, maybe if this support form is broken, as we try to correct this Asian, of which it might happen. But tukiangalia the overall, we can say we have maybe inaitwa double bottoms. Yeah, maybe we might have another swing kidogo, and then if we are going to turn from this point, we see it maybe drive all the way, but it's easier said than done. We'll have to sit in and dig into this one. We see if we get any potential entries. You could scalp 20 or so pips. Ama ni aje? Yeah, so let's get them charts clean, right? We could look to buy now on this Asian resisting being broken one all maybe a quick scalp once we have this London pre-support form being broken right here. Let's look at the news. Hizo ni analysis, tuone news. Today will be crazy. Look at this. We have average hourly earning coming up. We have non-farm employment changes. We have unemployment news. It's going to be crazy. We have PMI, CD what. So these red folders might affect the volume in the markets. Tukiangalia overall, let's look at something. Yeah. Now see, iso red folders, if they have volume, we might see ourselves break this low, maybe create a higher high for the week as we close in. Because tukirudi nyuma, let's look at the overall direction of the markets. Right now we can say we are in an uptrend, sindio? Na if them folders is gonna volume, then we're looking maybe to break above to drive towards these zones 1874 maybe, yeah, as we go on to print in higher highs on these charts. But ukiangalia hapa right here, we might maybe have a new dynamics being formed in the market, as you can see. But we'll have to see on that one. So let's try to follow up the price action for this London pre tukiingia London main, and then we will try and find some entries and opportunities for us to move some chums once we have them levels we've called out being broken, right?